This is the PlayStation Portal. And we'll see if it's worth the money. It's $200 for this. This is $200 as well. I'm not sponsored by this. This was my friend's PlayStation Portal. He just bought it. And I wanted to test it and see how it is. I really like the idea. My main game is Call of Duty, and I want to see if it's worth the money for me to spend on that. Let's find out by the end of the video if this is worth it. Sure, you just stick with this one because, you know, it has the extra button. Keep getting those W's in my Call of Duty once a month. Anyways, that's not the subject, but we'll see if this can handle Call of Duty, or is it just meant for just campaign games. I hope it's not, but let's find out. So the only thing you'll find in the box would be USB-C to USB-C, which is the common thing right now. And here comes the best part, revealing the PlayStation Portal. Honestly, I was very impressed with the design. It looked like a mini PlayStation, which is obviously it's from PlayStation, but the whole design and the layout was quite nice, as you can see. And actually, I liked this is the best part when you're unboxing a new gadget. Look how happy my face is. Look, that's me, and that's my friend that's helping me recording. Hi, Saad. And just for comparison, I put all three controls right next to each other. This is the basic controller. This is the DualSense Edge controller, which is I use on a daily basis. And obviously, this is the PlayStation Portal. I was really impressed by this blue light on the side. It's very nice touch from Sony. Also, this PlayStation Portal, it comes with speakers, so you don't have to use headphones, just in case. Running through the setup real quick. Pick the language, pick the date, set the date, and go from there. And now for the most annoying part when setting up a new device is updating. Obviously, because it's been sitting around for quite some time, so there's so many updates that needed to be installed. So we just waited and waited and waited, and just when we thought it was done, there was more updates. So we just had updates on updates on updates, and it was a bit annoying because we were excited to use it. So, and here you go. And once the setup is done, obviously you need to connect to your account. So it will provide you with a QR code. Use your PlayStation app to connect to it. And then boom, just like that. That's it. Now it's set up. And there you have it. Now you have your PlayStation mirrored to your PlayStation Portal. You don't have to have your monitor on. I was just showing this just for comparison. To be honest, I did not notice any delay between the PlayStation and the PlayStation Portal. As you can see, it was pretty responsive. There was no delay in the game. However, I went ahead and tested it with an actual gameplay. So during the gameplay, I did not see any delay, to be honest, but the only problem is the screen was too small. Like for action games such as Call of Duty, it's not meant for those games, I believe, or I wasn't comfortable with at least. So here's my honest opinion. After playing Call of Duty, especially like when you playing Shipment, it's a map in Call of Duty, the screen is just too small for action games. Way too small for action games. because like I was just getting dropped left and right. I mean, I'm not best player, but it's too small of a screen for fast games. I believe this is a perfect device for like slow games, like say Spider-Man, basic campaign games. Perfect, beautiful. I would definitely get it if I was playing those games. But since I'm playing Call of Duty and it's all action and fast moves, it was a bit difficult, especially if I'm used to this and with the extra 2 buttons that it has. As a device, amazing. But for me personally, not worth it. For you, it might be worth it if you're playing those basic games. Let me know in the comments if you already have it. What games would you suggest me playing in this PlayStation Portal? Until then, see you on the next video, my boy.